All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome from wherever you are in the world. My name is Johan Botha. I'm here from South Africa. And we started with this pre-launch of X3 Matrix. It is a smart contract managed platform on the OPBNB blockchain. So this was actually started on Friday last week, but we're still in pre-launch. The reason for that is to test how the system works, because this is not a normal conventional or traditional matrix system where you just have two each. The main thing is that this is the payout matrix, which members needs to understand. And you can use this to help you understand how to interpret the second matrix or the payout matrix actually. All right, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor. No financial advice or legal advice or tax advice is given here. You need to pay to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. You need to declare your tax. So there's nothing is guaranteed in this online space or even in any crypto, and crypto does have inherent risks as well. Do not be irresponsible with your funds. Do not go and sell your house and your car to be part of any platform. It doesn't matter how good it looks. All right, so that is just the standard disclaimer, and then yeah. Please be responsible and try to understand how the platform works. And that is the main reason of this session specifically tonight. Right, we had a Zoom meeting last night about the presentation, but because of it's a 40-minute Zoom session, it ran out. There's other recordings on YouTube channel as well that you can catch up when you have time. Right, so let's have a look at the basics of this. I'm going to go to the PDF. Or PowerPoint actually, to show you the basics. And hope the time does not run out again. I'm going to run through the basics only very quickly. So we are in the pre-launch phase at this moment. Right, there's the disclaimer I just told you about. And so yes, also be aware that the value of cryptocurrencies, they do fluctuate on a daily basis. Right, and what is X3? So it's a low entry automated 14 slot matrix on OPBNB network, right? It's managed by the smart contract. No admin that makes payments or withdrawals or anything like that. There's no human intervention here. It's managed, everything is managed by the smart contract. Immutable. No one can make any changes to it. The smart contract is working 100%. We know how that works. Nobody can make changes. We're happy with that. The thing is that we need to understand how the website routes or displays the smart contract logic. So you have the smart contract that is operating in the background, and then you have the website that you see on your phone or on your device that you need to understand how to interpret that to grow your teams and your portfolio here. Right, so everything is transparent, everything is recorded on the blockchain, and important, X3 is not a guaranteed income product. Nothing in this space is guaranteed anyway or by anybody. Right, the results depend on ongoing participation and actual matrix activity. Right, so all right, this is the mechanics. You have a referral tree and you have a smart contract routing and a payout tree. Right, so that is what we're going to discuss. And everyone needs to have referred at least 2 directs, not 1 direct, not 0 directs, but 2 directs to qualify to receive further spillover payments. And I also almost want to say that there is basically nothing that's going to hinder you from progressing to the next levels if you have referred at least 2 direct people to your link. Right, so before you jump off and say you don't want to recruit, you're sick and tired of this. The entry cost is 0.001 BNB. It is 65 US dollar cents today. It is 10 Rand, almost 11 Rand in South Africa. Right, most members comes in and they register, they qualify themselves with 2 direct positions under themselves. Some even more with 7 or even more. They fill up the whole referral tree with the 14 positions. And we are going to concentrate on that and how you can use that specific matrix to help you understand the referral or the payout matrix. Right, so all the upgrades are done automatically, but you cannot be upgraded if you do not have referred 2 people at least, two accounts on your position. Right, the matrix will fill up automatically. Right, so this is a low cost, but that does not mean there's no risk involved. Anything can happen with the internet, with cryptocurrencies. The thing is that there's no risk that anybody can steal the funds or manage to hack the smart contract or anything like that. And you also need to take care of your own wallet safety, and that's your own responsibility. Don't give the words out to anybody, and don't not back up your wallets. Seed phrase words. All right, so what is the projected income that you can receive here? There is 2 cycles here. There's 14 positions on a board or on a matrix, 12 levels, and then there's 2 cycles as well. So in the first cycle, you're going to be getting paid 6 times. You will earn 6 payments from the 14. It's going to go to your wallet directly and instantly when you qualify. On your second cycle, you're going to receive 7 payments, right? So don't break your head over the mechanics now. Just know it is there, and this is the potential on one position. If it completes all 12 levels, right? This is in the first cycle only. Remember, every position will go cycle 1, it will repeat, you will re-enter, it will recycle again and again and again and again. Right, and then the same process will happen until all the levels are filled up. And when every position finishes its 14th position, it goes back into the same level as well with the recycle. We'll get to the mechanics of that very shortly. Right, this is your cycle 2 where you get paid 7 times instead of 6 times because your 4th position is now going, your 5th position is now going to you because you already upgraded. And that is basically what the difference is between cycle 1 and cycle 2. And cycle 2 is not only cycle 2, but all the recurring levels, cycles after that. Right, the thing is here you're getting paid 6 times on level. In cycle 2, you're getting paid 7 times from your more boards, your matrices. Right, so pre-launch, why does that matter? So everybody worldwide has got the opportunity to test the system for themselves and keep the funds that they generate in this testing phase. Nobody is forced to do anything. You decide how much positions you want to take. We just explained to you how the smart contract works, and then you decide if you want to participate or not. And if you want to continue, because the goal is to make us understand how the user interface works so that we can explain it to other people, and then we will have the official launch as well. Once we properly understand it and see how the mechanics are working, then we can understand better to explain to other people as well. Because it's totally a different concept from your traditional matrices. All right, I call it a dynamic payout matrix. I have never seen anything like this. And every day we learn something new here. So you're getting paid in real BNB. It's not fake test BNB that we are doing this test. The reason for doing the live test is because it's so low cost and most people can afford that. Right, and you can use this opportunity to earn extra income in the meantime as well. So learn from the mechanics first and then participate responsibly. Don't go and sell your house and your car, and make sure that you don't use your food money or your rent money as well. Right, and verify the values before you share this with other people as well, because many people can misunderstand very quickly. Right, so when you are ready to study X3, reach out to the person that invited you, and then we will get you on the boards here, and we will get going. Let me just get out here and get back to the website. All right, so how does the payments work here? It's actually not what I was looking for, what I wanted to show you. Let's get to that picture I wanted to show you. Here's the one. Because you need to see this to understand it. All right, it's just a different format. This is what I want you to see. This is you when you register, you will be at the top of your matrix. Your 14 position matrix will look like this. Your first two positions is normally your two directs. The first one will land on your left-hand side underneath you on your level 1. That payment moves up 1 level to your upline. The second payment from your second direct is going to move up 2 levels to your second upline above you. All right, so you're not getting paid from your first 2 directs, anything, but you will benefit from them. Right now the green positions, that is what's going to your wallet on cycle 1. So 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12 is going straight to your wallet when those positions are filled up, either by yourself or by your team members. Right now, here comes the dynamic function of this project or the smart contract code. When position 4 comes in, it is being held by the smart contract, and when position 5 reaches your board, it's doubling the funds basically. So 0.001 comes in number 4, 0.001 comes in number 5, it forms 0.002, it upgrades you immediately to level 2. Right, so that is your level 2 now. You already upgraded to level 2. You're not going to upgrade to level 2 again. That is why on the second cycle, position 4 goes to the royal pool and position 5 goes to your wallet. So you will have 7 payments from the second cycle in as well. And then position 7, 10, and 13, you support your own downline. Right, so position 7 moves down 1 level to a qualified person or qualified position, meaning they must have referred 2 directs at least. Position 10 also moves 1 level down. Position 13 moves 2 levels down to support there at the bottom. And you will see sometimes you will even support yourself. The dynamics is very dynamic. This position, it might go down to a position at the bottom, which will land in one of these positions or in one of those positions, 1 and 2, and it will basically come back to you again. So you need to understand this to know how it works. And then position 14 is going to be your recycle position back into the same level. Right, take note, there's 14 positions on a board. There is 12 levels, right? So, and there's 2 cycles basically, the first cycle and the subsequent cycles. All right, so here is just explaining more detail. Position 4 and 5 is your upgrade position. So position 4 gets held by the smart contract until number 5 comes in, and then you get upgraded from level 1 to level 12. It works exactly the same. Then 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 is your direct payments. 14 goes to your recycle position back into the system again. All right, and just a key for the boards. So this is the difference again between 1 and 2. And then here's what level 2 or cycle 2's positions payouts look like. The exact same thing. 1 and 2 goes up, 1 goes 1 level up, 2 goes 2 levels up, then 3, 5 will also pay you 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 is going to directly to your wallet. Right, 7, 10, and 13 goes to support your downline, and 14 is going to recycle you back into that same level again. Right, remember it's position 5 that is upgrading you to the next levels, not 14. I've seen members getting confused with that as well. Right, position 5 is the one that upgrades you, not position 14. Position 14 recycles you back into the system, into the same level. Right, and then position 5 is the upgrade. So you're not waiting for lots of people for you to get upgraded, because it's an automatic upgrade. Right, if there ever comes people after that, it's irrespective. You will When you read position 5, you get upgraded to that next level instantly. Right, so on the second level, position 5 also becomes a direct payment. So that is why it's 7 on the second level. Here's just proof of live testing we did yesterday. This is your referral matrix. And you can see from this screenshot there, when a position has got 2 directs, it will indicate there 2 directs and it's got a green tick. If it doesn't have any directs, it will be like there at the bottom. It's either going to show 1 or 0, and it's going to be a red cross, and it will be red. Right, so the other thing, the important thing to understand is that on your level 2 and up, you will not get red positions because you have to qualify with 2 directs to be upgraded. Right, so this is just the payout matrix corresponding to how this position filled up all by itself from the top position, referred 2 people, and then they referred 2 each up until this position 14 was completed here. Take note, do not misjudge it with thinking that this position 14 must pay you because it's a different matrix. This is just your direct referral view. This is the payout matrix on the right side. Right, so it's in a very dynamic way that the positions fell and how it supported each other. But normally your first one will also always be the same. The second one will be the same. And you can see here that there's actually 581 and 581 corresponds, but 587 is not on this side. It's on this side, but it's not on, it's on the same position. Right, and so does 599 as well, because 599 came in here at that position there, and there it actually upgraded this, the first position that upgraded this position to level 2 already. Right, and it paid itself also 1, 2, 3 times in that completing those 14 positions. So it's already on level 2, and it has been paid already, and it's just 3 more payments outstanding. And then it can recycle back into this level again. Right, I actually don't want to waste more time here. Let's get to the practical session I wanted to show you. And we're going to do registrations tonight. So I'm going to be right up front with you from the beginning. This, we have seen this in a different matrix, and that is what we're going to start here as well, implement this side. So we're going to, this is position 1. So what I want you to see is work this. If you can complete your referral tree and all of them has got their 2, then you know you cannot make a mistake. Now only position 1 is all the 12 levels are unlocked because it has to be unlocked because it's the top position. All right, so now level or position 2, and you've got a search function here where you can search all the positions. You just put in the number and you press search. It will tell you its referral is number 1. It's got 34 directs. Matrix placements for position number 2 is 106, meaning it's got 106 positions or placements in the total X3 platform. It's active on, it's already on level 4. And this is the amount of BNB it accumulated already. Right, so, and the registration date. Right, so here's a breakdown of what happens with the exact payments, how it is routed. So you can also learn this. It will give you detailed instruction or reason why the payment was made. But I want you to see that position 2 is also complete. And that is also, it's only level 4 that it is open now. But you can see there's still a couple that needs direct referrals. And this is level 1. Now level 2, all of them has got green ticks because I have referred to positions. You will not see red on level 2 or above. Right, and this is level 4. So this is still brand new. But it's moving quite fast at the moment. So yes, we're close to 1,000 positions already in 6 days today. Right, so tomorrow it's Friday, then it will be 1 week that we have been testing this. So let's get to, so what I wanted to show you is that we're going to look for the first open referral tree. We're going to work on that to complete that one's matrix, this one, number 3. So I already started with doing that 185, and then we did 184. So now we're going to do, let's start with 186. No, let's do 183 on this side. Now you can see it's red there. So I'm going to do the registrations on my phone. I already created 2 new wallets and they are funded. So I'm just going to log in there and do the registration. I want you to, we're going to do that manually and we're going to jump between the boards. So I'm just going to refresh everything here. All right. So we said we're going to use 183. So what we're going to do, we're going to search 183. And this is what 183 look like. You can see it's got the referrer of 183 is number 60. It doesn't have any direct referrals. And you can see the matrix also indicates that, and the payout matrix as well, meaning this position will be skipped if it has to qualify to receive payments, but it cannot receive any payments because it doesn't have any directs. It must have 2 directs. So I just want to get into the wallet here. And then we can follow the movement itself. So this is the best way to test it live and to see, because we're not using $100 or $10 or $20 at least. This is very, very small change. But it can improve and move a lot if you follow the system. Remember the smart contract code is operating this thing. So it's all just mathematical add-ons and everything works on numbers. Right, so we're going to go to explore and we're going to go to the search bar and it's 183. We're going to change that to 183 and confirm. And there is videos available of the registration on YouTube as well. And then we're just going to do the registration. All right, so 961 is the new position that is under 183. It's the first direct. So what we're going to do, we're going to refresh this now again. So we're just going to change it to another number and then back to 183. And you will see it's got 1 direct now and it appears here. There it is 961 directly under in the first position on the referral tree. This is the direct referral tree basically, and on the payout tree as well. So what does this mean? This now means, because it gets explained to you as well, next payment payout matrix position, but the payments are explained here in this position here. You can see this came up directly after the registration, new direct registration number 961. All right, used 183 link, and it gives you in detail the exact. So it went to user 60, the inviter of 183. So we're going to go to number 60 now. And we're going to search number 60. So you can see 60 is qualified with 2 directs already. His inviter is number 7. And then there is the payment or the placement and the payment route as well that it just received. And here is 961. It fell on number 4, position number 4 in the payout matrix. And you can see that 183 still needs 2 directs, but we're working on, yeah, he needs 1 direct. So that's the one we're going to register now. But 961 fell in position number 4, meaning we will have a look now when the next one will fall, because our logic tells us that number 5 should be the next one. But is it going to come from 184 or from 183? or from your direct link. Your direct link will definitely fill up the next position on your payout matrix. That is what we have learned already. So you can see now we're going to use 183 link again, and we're going to complete that position there. 961 is there now. All right, so it wasn't paid out, that is held for a upgrade. So we're going to make the next registration. We're going to change the wallet here. All right. There we go. Confirm number 183. Let's just go back to 183. On the screen. No, not 1183. All right, see, we only have 10 minutes left, but we should finish. Okay, so it's got one direct. There is 183. 961 is the first one that registered. We're registering the second one now. Nine 6-3. All right. So let's see. You need to refresh it to update, but or there it comes now. You can see it 963. It's a new direct registration. All right, it's placement spot 2, but it still hasn't updated yet. We just need to refresh that. And you do it by just changing a number and changing it back. That's the fastest way to update it. And there is 963. Second direct, meaning it must go up 2 positions from here to your second upline. Right, so there it is in the second position. Now we're going to go to, we know that the upline is number 60. So we're going to put in number 60. So 2 levels up is number 60's upline. And number 60 is referred by number 7. So we're going to put in number 7 there. And we're going to go to his, not to his referral matrix, but to his payout matrix. So there is 963, and it fell in a paying position. So number 7 received the payment from position 789. That paid number 7 from activity in the downline, from that second direct referral that was registered. Right, so let's go back to 183 and study that then. Or sorry, number 60. You see the impact here on number 60. So it didn't fall, yeah. 961 is still there, and because it went to a different position that was paid out. So that means it cannot come and fall here. So probably another one, if you use your own direct link for number 60, it will definitely fill up that position. And then it will upgrade this position. Number 60 will be upgraded to level 2. And I think we must just do that quickly. And then you can somewhere see that as well. I just want to create a new wallet here. Shouldn't take long. And then I want you to see that as well. If you use your own direct link, remember, if everyone just follows this, fill up this levels here, that's level 1, level 2, level 3, that makes sure everyone has got 2 directs. Then it is actually smooth sailing. Then everything works 100%. That's the best that I've seen how it works. And if this wallet can just work with me now. Because it is confusing in the beginning when you don't understand it. You need to go and physically check where it went to, if you want to understand it that way. And it's actually good to know that, for you to explain it to other people as well. The thing is that this is very, very low cost. You do need to refer at least 2 positions for that position to qualify. Right, and you do benefit from spillover, as you've seen here. right? Okay. So position 7, 10, and 13 is going to support the downline. And you never know where your payments are going actually when you do register but you can go and use the search function, and that way you can search and look it up. But you cannot plan for the future. The only thing and that's what we're going to do now. We're going to use number 60's link to register another direct, and it should fall there on number 5 and upgrade this position to level 2. I'm going to transfer the funds. Okay, well enough. $65 your registration. It's literally 0.0010001. It's the minimum needed for a registration in BNB. Remember, it's on the OPBNB blockchain or network. It's not Binance Smart Chain or the BSC network. Right, so here we go. We're going to use link for for position number 60. It already has got two directs. So you can see there. All right. I'm just going to use the other links and just change the number to 60. And then we're going to do the registration. So you can confirm when the dashboard opens, it will show you who is the referrer, and then you can confirm it's number 60. Team size 4, and it's got 2 directs, which is corresponding with this. And we're going to do the registration. Right, 964 is the position that registered now. So let's have a look how long it takes for this to update here. Okay, it's taking a while. Let's just update it. Now you can see it's got 3 directs. It has already been paid 0.001. It registered on the 15th, and 964 is okay. 964 is not going to fall in this tree because it's another direct. It didn't register on one of these links. There it is, 964, and this position is upgraded to level 2 now. So you can see that use your own link. It will definitely fall on the next position because otherwise you just need to wait for this position to fill up. But now it is already on level 2, right? So that is another thing that we learn now and that we showed you live. So you cannot really predict where the funds are going to land, but you can, if you go and study it, trace the routing of the money or of the payments. And here as well, there's lots of things to read up here. They explain to you in detail here. Right, so next payout position in the matrix position, spot number 6 is your direct dividend, which is this one here. Right, so the payment is sent directly to your matrix wallet, the owner's wallet. Right, and the payments are distributed instantly. There's no withdrawal request here. So the smart contract manages and distributes the money instantly. Right, let's go to the smart contract. You can correspond everything to the smart contract. So this is the smart contract. You can see it's got these funds are for upgrades. That's why it's been kept here. It's basically that number 4 position, which is being held there, and we can see that it's been created 7 days ago. Right, we started the testing on the next day, and that's the address ending with BBA1. Right, the contract is verified. Thank you, yeah. Right, so you can see it's X3 is the contract name. the read contract section, the write contract section, where you can register members. Actually, the root wallet can do registrations only from this read contract, or yeah, write contract. But you can come and read everything, get all the details. But let's look at the number of users now. Last user ID, it's 965. So there's another position registered after I registered 964. Right, so and that is in 6 days. So tomorrow it will be 1 week that we have been testing it. Right, still early. We have the opportunity to take this to the world. Right, and please do not participate with money that you cannot afford to lose. Do not use your food money, or do not go and borrow money. But this is so very low cost, most people can afford to register and to qualify themselves at least.